I'm moving to a clinic. I need to take my coat the pass, which will allow me to visit cafes, shops, restaurants, museums, theaters, etc. Everything apart from grocery stores. Because currently, if you do not have one, if you don't have a pass, which shows that you are vaccinated or that you had COVID, then you are not allowed inside. So I'm going to get mine. It's a lovely weather today in Moscow. It's very sunny and it is snowing, so it's not very cold. This year I decided to enjoy my daily life more and to try to do activities that bring me joy more often and more regular, because we all have some things that we love doing that brings us joy. Maybe it is a hobby, maybe it is an activity like hiking or fishing or just reading printed books, right? So we all have them, but oftentimes with our daily life, with our jobs, duties, chores, etc., we don't necessarily find time or energy to do them. So I decided in this year that I will put more conscious effort and I will try to find time and actually do them at least weekly. So one of the things that I really enjoy doing is making floral arrangements and bouquets. I always loved flowers. I decided that this year I will be doing at least one flower arrangement a week or a bouquet a week. Either that or I will go to a beautiful flower salon and I will choose a beautiful bouquet there, because I do really like the energy fresh flowers brings to an apartment, to a room. I do enjoy them, and I decided that is something that I will try to do. You will be the judge how well I am with keeping my promises because I'm planning to record this. those are my flowers that I bought today. I'm cutting all extra leaves everywhere where the water will be. I like how airy it turned out to be. I didn't want something too heavy. I wanted it to look natural. Can't wait to see them fully open. In a couple of days I will add some more stems from the varieties that weren't in the shop today. I will have them, I think, for the next 2 weeks maybe. Today I decided to prepare some Mediterranean dish. It is my favorite option for a side dish. Actually, it can be a side dish or it can be a main course if you like. It is Mediterranean grilled vegetables. I bake them in the oven, either the grill surface inside an oven, or I cook them just on a sheet pan in the oven. It turns out to be very tasty, very delicious. Frankly, I'm not that big of a fan of zucchinis, eggplants, onions, carrots, etc. But when they're baked together, they all became very tasty and they all enrich each other with their flavors. So I like to cook in the oven, and I actually prefer it because I think this way your food turns out to be much more tasty and actually more healthy, because you can skip adding any oils.